Hello, 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 everyone. I am trying Cecred oil today. My hair is 2 days old. I shampooed it and I said I was gonna do the oiling with the Cecred for the first time, and I never got to. So now it's 2 days old and I'm ready to do it. Cecred hair product is by Beyonce. In my Ulta haul, I purchased the Cecred Nourishing Hair Oil. And this is what it looks like. The bottle itself is cute, isn't it? The word is embossed in here. It is all chiseled in the bottle. Take a look at this. I wanted to try this, so I am so happy to have this. So today I'm going to try this for the first time. First off, let me see if it have a smell. This is the cover. Looks like a hat. You know, wear your crown. That's what it makes me think of. And then it has this little seal right here. So you have to unplug it like a little plug. It's a glass bottle, don't drop it. I have tiles in this bathroom here. If this bottle falls, that's it. So I'm holding on to it tight. And then I'm going to unseal. It's really sealed. So my teeth, you hear that suction. I got it, see? Let me bring it closer so you can see. And then the name again so you can see. Let's see if it smells. Okay, I don't smell anything, but I'm going to put some on my hand so I can smell it. Okay. I put some right here. You can see it. It smells really nice. Has a nice, fresh. Ooh, this smells good, like a perfume to me. Okay, I'm digging this. So this is what I put on my hand. This is my other hand, none here, but I have some here. It's very light and it glides on nice and it smells good. I love it. I love the smell. Oh my God. She should make a perfume like that. How nice. Ooh, the smell. Just for the smell. If you don't want to use this on your hair, you can use it as a body oil. This smells really refreshing. Okay, let's get together here. Now, since I'm looking in the mirror, too old, 2 day old, two strand twist, I just want to grease my hair. My hair has no, no oil in it. And it needs greasing. So this is what it looks like. It's looking pretty cool, you know. But wow, I love the smell. Very light, but it smells delicious. Now this is the oil. I'm going to put a little bit. Let's see what it pours like. Okay. Do I have to take that stopper out? No. No. Okay. I just have to shake it in my hand. Just a little bit. You can get exactly what you want when you do it. Take a look. Now I'm going to run. This is my hand with the oil in it. Like I say, it has a nice smell to it. I don't know what makes it smell so nice, but it has a really nice smell to it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hair. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, is my hair looking different? To me, it's looking shinier. You know what I mean? It looks a little shinier. Yeah, my hair looks nice. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell. Because I'm gonna take this one off. Try not to get oil on it so you can see the difference. This is the one without the oil. This is the one with the oil. Can you see the difference? I can see a difference. Let me know if you can see a difference. Cecred Oil by Beyonce is in here. None is in here. I'm trying to take it out a little bit more so you can see the difference. You see it? This is okay. Let me do another one. I'm gonna do the one I just take out. And you can actually measure the amount of oil you want because because of the bottle cup, because of the hole in the bottle, you don't take a lot. You can take as much as you want or as little as you want. Okay, see? You see it now? Now I just put the oil in there. Now they look the same. Wow! I am loving this. It's so soft and it smells so nice. Wow. This is no exaggeration. Here it is. This is the section with the oil. It looks, tell me what you think. Because this is a section without. Oh my. Now I've untangled the hair. I didn't untangle it yet, but I untangled it and I'm going to give it a little bit more. Let's see. I don't think I need any more, but hey, I will try it. This is it in my hand. The ends. I want to give the end. I can actually see the difference in my hair. My hair has a nice shine. I can actually smell it too. Thank God I like the smell. I am happy I like the smell. It's like a perfume for the hair. That's what it makes me think. It's like when you spray this body sprays in your hair, that's what it makes. This is the section with the oil. It feels nice. It's a very light oil. It's not heavy at all. It's not heavy at all. Okay. I'm gonna take this out. I'm taking this one out. I'm gonna comb it and we're gonna put side by side so you can see the difference. Okay, I comb this side, no oil, right? And see the one with the oil. You can actually see the difference. This one has Cecred oil. This one don't have any. It's like my hair transforming in front of me with the oil. And trust me, I love my Amica oil. But I want to try this one. So now, before the oil, let's see what it looks like after the oil. After the oil. Can you see? So I did the before and now the after. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to finish the rest and I'll come back and show you my complete head of hair. Okay? I am back after I've oiled my hair. This is the bottle right here. I'm holding it so careful because I don't want to fall its glass. As you can see, I did not use a lot of oil. It has a perfumey smell. I don't smell it on my hand anymore. It's not on my hair anymore, but when you first rub it, when you first put it on, you can smell it. It is not a bad smell. It is a nice perfumey smell to me. The oil is very light. I did not use a lot, but as light as it is so moisturized my hair look. You saw when I started. Take a look at my hair. The shine. I'm not sure how they did this light oil, but not greasy because let me pass my hand in my hair again. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to put it all like this so you can see. See my hair? It has the shine, but it's not greasy. Take a look at my ends. You see my ends? There's a nice shine to it. But then my hand is not greasy. Take a look. It has a shine, but it's not greasy. I'm not quite sure what they did to this, but I'm liking it. I still have to keep trying it to make sure I like it more than my Amica and my Moroccan. But so far, I'm telling you, this is nice. My hair is not oily, but yet still it is moisturized. I'm just combing up my hair because two-strand twist wasn't really a style for today, but I still have some. I mean, there's a little stopper on top of it. I like that because when you open it, you can shake. There's a little topper on top of it. You seal it, you can travel with it. I don't think it will move. You can shake as much as you want or as little as you want. And then when you close it, nothing is budging, right? Nothing is budging. Oh, and the bottom, see the bottom? It has like a little suction. It has like a dent. But this is the Cecred, all by Beyonce. Looks like a crown or a hat or a headscarf. You know what I mean? I like this. Thank you all again for watching this video. Thank you for sharing and hyping my video. I appreciate it very much. Always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. Do not dim your light for another. And until I see you and you see me, I'm asking you to keep saying silent prayers. Say silent prayers. Thanks again. My hair feels really nice. Let's see the back. I didn't comb out the back, as you can see. But this is it.